Got some period little vintage side plates or biscuit plates. I think they qualify as side plates. They're 6 1/8 inch diameter. A commemorative edition, this from Wedgwood. Let's show you the china marks because they're quite nice. These Wedgwood bone china, England, Chinese flowers R4498, Williamsburg. Now Williamsburg was a range that Wedgwood were producing between 1973 and nobody's absolutely certain when production ceased, but timeline quoted is 73 to 97 when all Wedgwood bone china in England basically stopped being produced. But they were looking back to the colonial patterns used in and around Williamsburg during the colonial period of American rule by the British, and these were one of the sort of chinoise inspired flower patterns. This one's called Chinese flowers, as you can see, camelia blossoms sprinkled around the outer side. Very simplistic sort of design for Wedgwood, really. Bone china, obviously. Side elevations quite simple. No gilt used on this at all because the original wouldn't have had it. Wasn't available to the production of china at that period in America. So these were quite simplistic, transfer printed, hand coloured. But I think these are all transfer printed. I don't think there was any hand colouring or decoration going on at Wedgwood during this production. It would have all been mechanised with transfer prints. 4 of them, very nice clean condition. Show you the glaze reflection. They're not absolutely mint. They've got a very occasional knife mark on them, but by and large we'd describe these as very clean, used vintage and quite rare to find. I've not seen it before in the years of collecting Wedgwood bone china. They did make them in a range of dinner services as well as tea wares, so this may be of interest to somebody that's looking to expand an existing set or just likes these because of the history involved in the pattern, and they're very pretty indeed to display. Description link below will take you through to the website listing where we're popping these 4 on individually for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. Ship internationally here from the UK. Thanks for watching.